Lorex offers many unique wireless surveillance systems, including the latest in the line, the LW3211, a black polycarbonate bullet-style camera. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors, and both vertically and horizontally. Here we've chosen an exterior wall beside a garage, overlooking a walkway to the backyard. A high-traffic area ideal for security monitoring. We've drilled a hole through the brick, staying inside the mortar joint line. We use electrical tape to protect the cable end from getting damaged when it is slid into the hole. Gently push the cable into the drilled hole. Roughly locate the camera so that the mounting screws line up with the mortar line. Drill into the mortar using the camera as a template and install all 3 plastic anchors. Make sure the cable is fully inserted into the hole, and now install the 3 screws to secure the camera to the wall. Once the camera is attached firmly to the wall, you can adjust the angle that the camera points. Loosen the collar and rotate the camera to point in the correct direction. Now retighten the collar. There are 2 set screws on the camera that can be used to adjust the horizontal angle of the camera. Loosen the Allen bolt on the neck of the camera and rotate the camera head. Tighten the set screw once the camera has been rotated into place. The other Allen bolt is located on the other side. It will also adjust the angle of the camera. Now the camera is set. Make sure the high gain antenna is attached to the camera by threading it onto the connector. Inside the garage, we've removed the tape from the power connector and are using an optional extension cable available from Lorex. The CBL10WRB provides an additional 10 feet of weatherproof cabling, ideally used when the nearest power source is farther away from the camera location. The extension cable features an O-ring gasket to prevent weather penetration, as well as a unique connecting collar which threads onto the camera cable end. We've plugged the included power supply into a GFCI AC outlet and then connected the extension cable to the power adapter end. It's ideal to attach the camera power cable to structure using cable staples, or in this case taping it to the existing electrical wiring. The camera is now fully powered. Connect the other supplied antenna to the receiver included in the kit. Plug the yellow coax cable into the DVR. Attach the second supplied power adapter into an AC outlet and connect the other end to the receiver. The receiver light should come on, indicating a power supply. Now power up the DVR and let it fully boot. In many cases, the camera and receiver will automatically link or pair together. If the camera does not successfully connect, simply press the pairing button on the receiver. Then once prompted by the DVR, press the P button on the back of the camera. This process may require a second person. Use the signal strength meter on the top left of the screen to determine if the receiver and DVR are close enough to the camera, transmitting the video signal. If you get an out-of-range notice on the screen, then you will need to move the DVR or receiver. Putting the DVR and receiver in the middle of the house should deliver great overall signal strength. Once the camera is paired to the DVR, make sure the positioning of the camera is perfect for your needs. Readjust the Allen bolts if necessary. In daylight, the camera delivers great images. At night, the camera flips to black and white imaging and uses its built-in infrared LEDs. When an external light turns on, the camera automatically switches to color mode, supplying vivid, detailed night vision. The LW3211 Wireless Camera from Lorex is a great DIY camera requiring minimal installation, but providing considerable convenience for all your security needs.